Sawadee krab, it's me Art Tamya at Mueang International Airport in Bangkok. Nowadays we can travel from here to KRUNG THEP APHIWAT Central Terminal with an SRT Red Line train. Let's come with me on this smooth ride and I will also show you the details about the facilities for travelers at KRUNG THEP APHIWAT Central Terminal. At Don Mueang Station, you can board long-distance trains to north or northeastern Thailand as well. But we're going to KRUNG THEP APHIWAT Central Terminal, so we can buy a ticket here from this vending machine or from the ticket booth. Or we can use contactless card and the fee will be automatically deducted from the card. It takes only 17 minutes to here. As ASEAN's largest railway station, KRUNG THEP APHIWAT Central Terminal has several state-of-the-art facilities. Let's get to know them together. First spot, let me show you the symbol of this station. A clock uniquely designed in loving remembrance of His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej. The clock dial is designed with a diameter of 6 meters with a large number 9 in Thai style, installed on the glass wall at the building entrance, 21 meters above the ground. The clock can be seen from a distance. Next, let's get to know the information counter. This is where friendly SRT staff members will assist you or provide you with the information you want. For ticket booths, there are 28 booths located in 2 different locations. For booths number 1 to number 23, they're located between gate number 3 and 4. And booths number 24 to 28, they're located at gate number 1, just opposite the entrance to SRT Red Line Thani Rataya. You can buy tickets online via 2 main channels up to 30 days in advance. First, dticket.railway.co.th or second, mobile application SRT D-Ticket. I will show you simple steps of ticket booking. You can leave your luggage and bags at the locker section near gate number 4, and the fee is charged by day or by hour. There are options for the locker sizes too, from the smallest to the largest. The lockers are painted in bright colors, so it is easy to find them. If you plan to travel around Bangkok with MRT or subway for a day and come back here to catch a train in the evening, lockers here will be very helpful for you. If you need a bag trolley, they're available at gate number 4, 5, and 10. To get cash in Thai baht from ATMs, you need to have some specific card to be able to get cash. Please check for your card logos at the machines. This station has got 8 locations around the building for restrooms. Look at the map to find them. Shower cubicles are available here at the restroom near gate number 5. For parents, there are breastfeeding rooms and diaper changing tables available. In case some accidents happen, Our helpful staff members are here to assist you at first aid room. If you lost something or found something of other people, you can just inform information counter or just come here to lost and found room. Meditation rooms or prayer rooms are also available here for both ladies and gentlemen. For public bus connection, please proceed to gate number 10. Free regular shuttle buses that connect between Bangkok Station or Hua Lamphong Station and KRUNG THEP APHIWAT Central Terminal are also available. For taxi connection, please proceed to gate number 7. Wheelchair service is available for those in need, especially for patients and the elderly. Normal wheelchairs are available at gate number 10, and 5G smart wheelchairs are available at gate number 1. To ask for this service, just simply go to the information center. These smart wheelchairs are brought here to use for the first time by the State Railway of Thailand. The technology is supported by the Office of National Digital Economy and Society Commission via True 5G Intelligent Network. The smart wheelchairs are controlled by voice or touchscreen feature.
โปรดระวังรถเข็นกำลังเคลื่อนที่ครับโปรดระวังรถเข็นกำลังเคลื่อนที่โปรดระวังรถเข็นกำลังเคลื่อนที่
This is SRT Bot. SRT Bot is a smart robot who can lead you to where you want to go inside the station. It can also help you to book train tickets and search for train schedule or related information. The communication is available in 3 languages: English, Thai, and Chinese. Plus, voice control and face detection features are available too.
Allow face scan to center your face to the screen.
While this smart robot is leading me to the ticket vending machine for Red Line. You can charge your mobile phone or other electronic devices at the provided mobile charger stations. Let's explore what you can buy from vending machines. Hope you enjoyed the state-of-the-art facilities here at KRUNG THEP APHIWAT Central Terminal. Let's plan for your next railway journey here in Thailand soon. See you again and สวัสดีครับ Bye.